The greatest stunt of all begins on the misty morning of May 20th, as a young airmail pilot hastens to be the first to fly nonstop from New York to Paris. He hopes to capture a $25,000 prize for which the world's top aviators are competing. His name is Charles A. Lindbergh. He's the dark horse in the transatlantic air race, but the crowds are with him, for unlike the others, he flies alone. The field is soft with rain. The little monoplane, with neither radio nor safety equipment, is heavily loaded with fuel. Ahead, 3,600 miles to Paris, and all America vicariously shares every lonely mile.
In the cold gray dawn, when the stars were gone, in a mighty aeroplane,